Hello, today we will guide you through how to edit post in Meta Business Suite. To begin, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. If you are not already signed in, log into your account first so you can access your business content and publishing tools. Once the search results or landing page appears, click on Meta Business Suite to open the correct platform. When the Meta Business Suite page loads, look for the Get Started button and click it. This will take you into the main dashboard where you can manage posts, scheduling, and other business activity from one place. If you work with multiple pages or accounts, make sure you are in the correct one before making any changes. Next, move to the left side of the screen and click on Planner. The Planner section is where Meta Business Suite organizes your scheduled and published content in a calendar-style view. This makes it easier to locate the exact post you want to update, especially if you manage content across different dates. Now find the post you want to edit and click on it. Take a moment to confirm you selected the correct post, since this is the content you'll be modifying. After the post details open, look to the right side for the Actions option or the three-dot menu. Click that menu to see more options related to the post. From the menu, select Edit Post. This opens the post in the editing view where you can make changes to the content. Here you can update the caption or post details, and if needed, adjust the schedule as well. This is helpful if you notice a typo, want to improve the wording, or need to move the publishing time to better match your audience schedule. As you edit, review everything carefully so the final version is accurate and ready to go. Once you've finished making your changes, click Schedule or Save Your Changes, depending on what appears on your screen. This final step confirms your updates and applies them to the post. If the post was already scheduled, the new version will replace the previous one with your latest edits. And that's it. You've successfully edited a post in Meta Business Suite. Before leaving the page, it's always a good idea to quickly double-check that the updated text and scheduled time look correct in the Planner view. This helps prevent mistakes and keeps your content organized.